Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export a list or segment on Klaviyo. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze your subscriber data, share it with your team, or use it in other marketing tools. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that contains the list or segment you want to export, as this will ensure you have access to all the right data. After logging in, you'll land on your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for and click on Audience. This section is where all your subscriber lists and segments are stored, making it the central hub for managing your contacts. From the drop-down or submenu that appears, click on Lists and Segments. This will take you to a page displaying all the lists and segments you've created. Now browse through your lists and segments and click on the specific one you want to export. This could be a custom segment you've built based on specific behaviors or a general subscriber list. Clicking on it will open up the details page for that particular list or segment. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a button labeled Manage List. Go ahead and click on it. This button gives you access to various management options for your list, including the ability to export your data. From the options that appear, click on Export to CSV. This initiates the export process and allows you to customize exactly what data you want to include in your file. CSV format is ideal because it's compatible with most spreadsheet programs and other marketing platforms. You'll now see a list of properties you can include in your export. These are checkboxes next to fields like email, Klaviyo ID, first name, last name, and potentially many others depending on what data you've collected. Go ahead and check the boxes for the properties you want to export. Choose the ones that are most relevant to your needs, whether it's just basic contact info or more detailed engagement metrics. Once you've selected all the properties you need, click Start Export. This tells Klaviyo to begin compiling your data into a downloadable file. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the export process completes. Depending on the size of your list or segment, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Klaviyo is processing all the data you selected and formatting it into a CSV file, so just be patient while it finishes up. Once the export is complete, the file will automatically start downloading to your device. You'll typically find it in your default Downloads folder. From there, you can open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or any other tool you prefer to work with. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Klaviyo list or segment and now have all that valuable subscriber data ready to use however you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.